Well, I just found this in the trash with the bag, and it's got an interesting feature to it, other than of course having a Honda and being rear-wheel drive. I actually caught them right as they were bringing it out to the curb, and they said that they were only getting rid of it because, in their words, the frame broke, but I believe that they were talking about this. So I'm gonna have to replace this rod. But this thing's got a blade clutch on it. Do full choke. So it runs really good. I'm gonna have to sort out and see what how much that rod's gonna cost. Unfortunately, I don't have anything like that in the Horde, but this will be a pretty cool little lawnmower to get working again. Might even have a side discharge chute for it. Stay tuned.